Hey there, art enthusiasts! Welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sessions. I go by Waffle Dove, and today we are diving into the wonderful world of gouache painting. But before we get started, let me introduce you to our stars today. Himi gouache paints! These vibrant opaque watercolors are perfect for creating stunning artwork, like what we'll be doing today. Ever since I was young, I've had a passion for creativity, from watercolors to crayons and colored pens. I've explored various mediums, but gouache was a territory I hadn't ventured into until recently. Honestly, I had never heard of it. It was through platforms like YouTube that I discovered the magic of gouache painting. And let me tell you, it sparked something special within me. That's why I decided to start this YouTube channel. I wanted to take my love for art to the next level and share my creative journey with all of you. You see, for the longest time, making art was often seen as just a hobby, something we did in our spare time. If someone had to be serious, that person had to take fine arts in uni. But times have changed. Nowadays, artists have an array of avenues to turn their passion into a livelihood. And we don't need a degree for it anymore. From selling original artworks and prints online to collaborating with brands, teaching workshops, and even licensing your art for merchandise, the possibilities are endless. The key is to be creative not only in our artwork, but also in how we share and monetize our passion. As for me, I have just started. I'm embracing this journey wholeheartedly. Through this channel, I aim to inspire others to rediscover or discover their own creative side. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, there's always something magical about putting brush to paper and letting your imagination soar. Now let's talk technique. Gouache painting is similar to watercolor, but with a few key differences. First, you want to start with a light sketch of your design using a pencil. Then layer on your gouache paint, starting with the lightest colors first and gradually building up to the darker shades. Remember, gouache is opaque, so you can easily layer colors on top of each other without worrying about the colors underneath showing through. Plus, it dries quickly, making it perfect for those of us who are impatient to see the finished product. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more art-filled content. Now, for all you beginners out there, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Start with a limited color palette to avoid overwhelming yourself. Experiment with different brush sizes to achieve varying textures and details. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Gouache is forgiving, so you can always paint over any errors. And if you're wondering where to get your hands on these fantastic Himi gouache paints and other art supplies, fear not, you can easily find them online like on Amazon or your nearest local art store. Voila! Isn't it adorable? Well, that's a wrap for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed painting with me and exploring the possibilities of gouache and picked up some useful tips along the way. Until next time, happy painting!